Learn the merge of Ethereum in 1 minute. Ethereum is about to complete its merge in mid-September 2022. What is merge? What does it mean? What is the merge of Ethereum? The Ethereum merge is an important milestone in the development of Ethereum. The merge means the union of the mainnet and the beacon chain, which marks Ethereum's transition from proof of work (POW) to proof of stake (POS). What is the impact of the merge? 1. The merge happens behind the scenes, and ETH holders don't need to do anything. If you want to get 4 coins, you can transfer ETH to wallets or exchanges that support the 4 coins, such as Huobi. 2. The merge will reduce the issuance of Ethereum by about 90%, which is good news for the ETH holders. 3. The ETH stake on the beacon chain will not be unlocked after the merge, but will pour into circulation after the Shanghai upgrade. When will the merge be complete? The merge is divided into 2 stages: consensus layer upgrade, Bellatrix, and execution layer upgrade, Paris. The Bellatrix upgrade is expected on September 6th at 11:34:37 UTH. The Paris upgrade is expected on September 15th.